Hello guys, Andre here from PA. Today I'll do a power lead system review. So I'm going to go over the power lead system review. See on Google, a lot of people have been searching for the review. YouTube, the power lead system review is still being searched for. And that's probably because power lead system is one of the most lucrative compensation plans there is, filled with tools. You get this exact page when you join our team. You get this page leads to this, where you can learn how you can make viral commissions. Everything's done for you besides driving traffic, and other people do the work and you get paid. So I'm going to go over the compensation plan real quick. It's very simple, but it's hard to calculate, and there's so much included, so I'm not going to spend much time here. So you focus on 10 numbers, your first 10 numbers, 1 through 10. Okay, your first sale, you make $20 a month. This sale, it passes up, but you make 50% of their entire business. So if this person makes $500 a month, you make $250 of that. Keep in mind these same rules apply to them. That's why it gets complicated, because if they got, say their fourth person makes $500, they're making $250 of it, you're making $125 of that. Okay, so that's why I said it's simple, but it gets complicated. But you make 20 on the numbers I circle: 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, so that's the start of your business. You'll be making $100 a month, plus what your power line does. This is all your power line. You're personally sponsored. This is these 10 numbers. Your power lines 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. You get 50% of everyone you personally sponsor. So 1 through 10, everyone you personally sponsor, you receive 50% of. Now, numbers 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, they all go up to your sponsor, so you don't receive pass-ups from them like you do for 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 each pass you up within their first 10, $100 a month in sales. So that's easily, with just 9 people and they each get their 10, that's easily an extra $600 a month for you. Okay, so that's why the system's exploding. It's pretty interesting. Now another thing to keep in mind is the 50%, because that compounds. It just compounds and compounds. And there are bigger packages, but this is just the compensation plan. Okay, so let's go over to log in real quick. You do get those pages that I showed in the beginning of the video. Now, if you want to see the emails that are sent, because you get emails that are sent to prospects you generate on your behalf too. It's all that's done for you. If you want to see the 19 emails, there should be a link in the description where you can go through, just submit your email, be nosy, and see what emails you're getting with your business. Now, all teams operate different. You might end up on a different team where you have different emails than me. So inside the training, the one I like is Roadmap to Riches. Roadmap to Riches shows you, I'm not going to view it, it shows you how in 8 months you could easily be making $10,000 per month with just this, not even including the 50%. So it's undercutting itself, but at the same time you'll be receiving more than $10,000 a month if you follow the instructions there. Now I wanted to keep this short, guys. My name is Andre. I'm from Pennsylvania. This is the Power Lead System Review. Thank you for watching. If you want more information, there's a link in the description, or you could comment below and I could get to you. My email and social media accounts will also be listed. Thank you.